Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to finally get my hands on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is completely funded by me. If you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe. It helps out a lot. Give it a like. Now, let's look at the box. So this is pretty much similar to the Pro, the normal Pro. Obviously, the normal iPhones like the 13 and 13 mini are white, just like last year, and the Pros are black. Okay, so we've got these flaps here. Let's see if I can do the same for this. Open it with one flap. Yep. Okay, so that's the phone there. Now, as usual, you've got the SIM tray opener, some warranty stuff and a sticker, and you've got the USB to Lightning cable in there. No charger. Alright, so that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and by 12 Pro Max I mean 13 Pro Max. Just to show you guys that I didn't get the 13. Okay, all right, so that's basically it, guys. Thanks so much for staying to the end. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. Please do give it a like and share it around. Take care. Bye bye.